So after one of the highest tides ever recorded, is this a trend of things to come? All these people, sorry about the wind, all these people with their expensive houses right by the sea, they don't look so expensive or appealing to me now. I think I'd rather live halfway up a hill with a nice view of the sea. But I've got no Wellington boots on. It's floating. Mother Nature is not happy. It's blowing me away from the water as well. How is this wooden hut building not just picked up There are normally steps there. The level is so high still, it's just after high tide.